The way that it works is we partner with a celebrity and host a giveaway through their Instagram page. They may be giving away cash, prizes, or merchandise. The celebrity will post something like, "Hey guys, I'm giving away $5,000 cash. If you want to win it all you have to do is follow the same Instagram accounts I'm following." Those accounts that need to be followed are our clients, just like you. So each campaign we have a maximum of 50 to 75 people that we put in a promo, and everyone on that list is going to grow and get thousands of real followers from this giveaway. Some of the best things about it are, it aligns with Instagram's terms and conditions, it doesn't get accounts flagged or banned, and no matter what country you're in, we can help you. This is international. What we've found by doing Instagram giveaways is that it's the most organic way to grow your Instagram following. The results are always real followers providing real engagement to your page, and it's all risk-free. All we need is your username to add to the list of accounts to be followed. This is perfect for all types of people or online-based businesses, influencers, models, athletes, clothing labels, YouTubers, gamers, cosplayers, streamers, artists, singers, musicians, retail brands, online coaches, rappers, record labels, real estate brokers, the list goes on. If your desire is to become a well-known brand or personality online, we can help you find new fans and customers in a short time frame, all on autopilot. So all you have to do is focus on what you do. So if you're ready to grow your personal brand or business, have a look at our growth packages. We have a few different packages that cater to different needs and goals. Simply choose the package that suits you, then add your Instagram username at the checkout, and that's it. We handle everything from there. If you need help, contact our team and we'll be happy to get back to you.